Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you: creating your own website. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or just someone looking to establish their online presence, this video is for you. Stick around as we break down the entire process into simple, easy to follow steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your purpose. The first crucial step in creating a website is defining its purpose. Are you building a portfolio, launching an online store, or starting a blog? Knowing your purpose will guide your design and content decisions. Take a moment to brainstorm and write down your website's primary goals. Step 2. Choose a domain name. Now that you have a clear purpose, it's time to choose a domain name. Your domain is like your online address, so make it memorable and reflective of your brand. We recommend using a .com domain for broader accessibility. Check for its availability and secure it before someone else does. Step 3. Select a hosting provider. Hosting is like renting space on the internet for your website. There are many hosting providers out there, such as Bluehost, WSHost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Consider your budget and the features you need when making your choice. We'll leave a link in the description to help you explore some options. Step 4. Set up your website platform. With your domain and hosting in place, it's time to choose a website platform. Popular options include WordPress, Wix, and Blogger. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and a variety of templates. Pick one that aligns with your vision and start customizing. Step 5. Design your website. Design plays a crucial role in the success of your website. Choose a clean and organized layout that complements your content. Pay attention to color schemes, fonts, and images. Most website platforms offer customization options, so don't be afraid to get creative. Step 6. Create engaging content. Content is king. Populate your website with high-quality, engaging content. This could include informative articles, stunning visuals, or product listings. Make sure your content aligns with your website's purpose and speaks to your target audience. Step 7. Optimize for SEO. To ensure people find your website, optimize it for search engines. Use relevant keywords, create descriptive meta tags, and focus on producing valuable content. SEO is an ongoing process, so stay informed about the latest trends and updates. Step 8. Test and launch. Host. Before launching your website, thoroughly test its functionality. Check for broken links, test forms, and ensure that your website is mobile-friendly. Once everything is in order, it's time to launch and share your creation with the world.